All right, guys, as y'all can see in my hand, we got that new limited FX collection. We have the black FX clipper with the black FX trimmer in this box, as you can see. I've already been putting it to use, but y'all know we're gonna do a little quick unboxing, and I'm gonna talk to y'all about these tools. Remember, guys, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, share with one of your friends, all that good stuff. That way we can keep growing the channel and I can keep putting out some great content for y'all. But before we jump into this video, y'all see this light right here? It broke on me, man. I don't know what happened. It just stopped working. I tried different plugs, tried messing with the switch. It don't work, so I had to move some things around. But we gonna get that fixed, probably get a new light or something up there, because I don't like the way it just looks all dark right there now. But nonetheless, we ain't here for that. We're here to talk about the limited FX collection from Babyliss. I'm trying to get it to where it's not too much of a glare, but y'all check that out right there, man. Nice black. We're gonna go ahead and read some of the stuff on the back. Black DLC fade blade, 0 gap adjustable, 5-position locking taper arm, longer life, high torque in-one brushless motor. So people are asking me, like, what's the difference between these and the original FX? It's got the upgraded motor, the in-one motor. So it is a stronger clipper, high performance lithium ion battery, up to 3 hours of runtime. So that's the thing about these clippers, guys. These aren't the FX ones. These aren't the ones where you can interchange the batteries. I know that's something that Babyliss is really pushing right now. But they're giving you options, you know what I'm saying? I know some people don't like that system. They think it's pointless. So if you want to get, I kind of want to say the OGs, but it's not the OGs. But if you wanted to get their clippers because you like the way they perform, but you don't like the battery situation, they do have clippers on their website. And not just on their website, a different website. You can actually purchase these at fwbarbersupply.com with my discount code TINK10. But they have other options for you, you know what I'm saying? Like, one clipper isn't for everybody, so they have different options. But let's go ahead and look back into this. So obviously that was the clipper that I was talking about. Now we're going to talk a little bit about the trimmer. Black DLC deep tooth T-blade, 0 gap adjustable, longer life, high torque, and 1 brushless motor. So the trimmer has the high torque motor also. High performance lithium ion battery, up to 4 hours of runtime, all metal housing with textured rubber grip. So once again, man, y'all check out the box for the limited FX clipper from Babyliss, the clipper and trimmer. But let's go ahead and open these things up. So like I said earlier, guys, I have been using these. So y'all gonna see clips of me using these in the video. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and take this out the box. So once you take this out the box, you ain't got nothing else in there. We're gonna put that to the floor. So when you take it out the box, we still have this plastic cover. We're gonna go ahead and take that off. That way we can actually see how the clipper and trimmer sits inside of the box. So y'all check that out. Looks nice in there, but let's go ahead and take out the trimmer first. And just so y'all know, it does come with like this little thing right here on it to where you don't turn the trimmer on, but I took those off because your boy's been rocking with them. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the trimmer for y'all. It's got a nice hum to it. And if you see a little bit of hair, like I said, your boy has been using it. So it's gonna have a little bit of hair on it, but y'all check that out. That is the DLC 2.0 blade. Check that out. Make sure it don't focus on my face. There we go. So we got the rubberized grip. We have the charging ports down here. So as you can see, we have the traditional Babyliss charging port, and then we also have a USB-C charging port. So you can charge this on the go. You can, eliminate wires from your station if need be. So that's pretty dope. It still comes with a hanging hook. I know a lot of people don't even use hanging hooks no more, but if you wanted to, it has a hanging hook on there. I don't know if y'all can see that because it's trying to get my face and whatnot. But all in all, it's basically the same thing as their boosted FX trimmers. I don't know if y'all remember the boosted. I think it came out like a year to a year and a half ago. So it's basically the same thing. Obviously, it's just a little nicer, a little newer. We got the all black, Once again, that is the trimmer on. DLC 2.0 blade, and in my opinion, I like the DLC 2.0 blade before anything, but then I didn't really like the graphite blade, but then I feel like I kind of switched. Now I feel like I like the graphite blade a little better. But once again, guys, that just all boils down to preference. What is it that you like? What type of blades you like, how you like for your blades to work. So it's all a matter of preference. I'm not saying this is a bad blade because I was rocking with it and it worked well, right? But I'm just saying it's all about preference. But once again, y'all check out the trimmer. Let's go ahead and put the trimmer to the side, and then we're gonna take out the clipper.
Damn it, Tito.
And the same thing with the clipper, guys. It did have a little plastic piece right here. That way the clipper doesn't turn on. But y'all check out the clipper, man. Looks nice. All black, rubber grip. Let me go ahead and turn this on for y'all. So I just love the way the Babyliss clippers sound when you first turn them on. Like they just that hum. There's something about that hum that's super satisfying, right? Maybe it's just me, I don't know. Maybe I'm just a weirdo, you know what I'm saying? But nonetheless, as you can see, we have the the fade blade on this clipper, and I'm a fan of their fade blade. The click lever feels really nice, so y'all check that out, man. Like it's got a nice sounding click to it. I really enjoy using. I like click levers because that right there, that's satisfying to me. So I'll just be doing this sometimes when I'm just waiting for my next client. And as y'all can see, it does have the rubber grip on here. Same thing as the trimmer. We got the rubberized grip. You know, a lot of people like the rubber grip because it makes it a little more, it feels more comfortable in the hand and it's not gonna slip, right? So that's a good thing. Same thing at the bottom, we have a hanging hook. Let me go ahead and pull this out for y'all. So as you can see, we got the hanging hook on there, but then same thing as the trimmer. We have the regular charging port right here, as y'all can see. Let it focus. All right, we got the regular charging port down here, as you can see, and then we also have the USB-C one up on top. Once again, just in case you needed to charge it on the go, right? But that's that. Once again, nice clipper, nice clicks on it. Check that out. But let's go ahead and move this so we can see what else comes in here, because I'm gonna be honest, I didn't even open up everything. I just took out the clipper and trimmer and I just used it as it was. So you do get the pamphlet once again that, you know, your boy never really looks at. You get the charging brick with a charging cord. Oh, and they actually give you a USB-C cord. So they don't even give you the traditional Babyliss cord, which I think is pretty dope because you can charge more things with the USB-C, right? So that's pretty dope that it comes like that. You get a regular set of guards, not the premium guards. I like the premium guards better, but you get a regular set of guards in there. You get a zero gap setter and a blade cover for the trimmer. We get some oil, a brush, and then we get 2 cam followers, one for the clipper and one for the trimmer. I don't know if y'all can see that, but we got 2 cam followers, and then we get a screwdriver, an upgraded screwdriver. I want to say upgraded because, you know, before they used to give you the one that was kind of like a keychain, and now they give you this one right here that's pretty dope. I don't know if y'all can see that on camera. It's a nice screwdriver. It's you know, it's, let me get a little closer. Is it focusing? But y'all check that out, man. It's a pretty dope screwdriver on there. I know my boy Papito, bless hands, was really excited about their screwdrivers. But it's a nice screwdriver all in all. But let's go ahead and put everything back in the box and continue talking about the clipper and trimmer real quick. So once again, guys, like I said, I really enjoyed using the trimmer. Y'all know how the Babyliss trimmers work, right? Like y'all seen my previous videos. I'm sure someone in the barbershop you work at has a Babyliss trimmer, so you kind of know the power of them. And if you have the upgraded ones with the N1 motor, they're a little more powerful, a little better for balding and debulking. And then for lineups, once again, I think it just boils down to the blade, how you set your blade, and what blade you like best. This originally, when the DLC 2.0 blade came out, it was my favorite blade, but I think still my #1 go-to blade is the original FX blade. You know, the original gold one, or even the blue FX blade. Those two blades are pretty thin, they line up well. They don't bald out as well as this one, but they line up a little better, right? I think this one is more of an all-around, smoother type blade. Works really well for debulking, works really well for balding, works great for lining. To me, it just doesn't hit as good as my other blades hit, but I think that may be because it's not gapped as close. I mean, I did gap it because I didn't like the way it was hitting out the box, but I don't necessarily zero gap on my tools. I kind of push them back a little bit, but nonetheless, works well, balds out well, lines up well, great to use on kids, and it's a nice trimmer ergonomically. Now, the clipper, there's something about this clipper, man. Like, I have the FX ones, I have the rose gold ones, I have the blue ones, I have the golden ones, and I like them. You know, I think they're really good tools, but there's just something about this one, maybe because it's brand new, maybe because, you know, I don't know exactly what it is, but there's just something that I feel when I'm using this that feels a little better than the FX1 series, and that may just be me. You know, maybe I'm just being a little extra, maybe it's the way the clicks feel. I don't know what it is, but for some reason, I just feel that these work a little better than the FX1 series. Now, I'm not saying that the FX1 series are bad. I'm not saying that these are meant to be better. All I'm saying is, me personally, I think that this one works a little better than the FX1s. Those are just my opinions. But all in all, great tool, great combo set. I like that they have it in a combo set. That way you can get the clipper and the trimmer with, you know, just buying one item. You don't have to put a bunch of items in your cart. You don't have to carry a bunch of stuff. It comes in one box, and I think that's pretty dope. So all in all, guys, I would say these are some good tools. And I know y'all gonna be like, bro, you always say tools that you review are good on your channel, and y'all want me to tell y'all the truth? Y'all want me to lie to y'all? You know, like, I'm just trying to give y'all an honest opinion, an honest review. And I know that y'all can't wait for me to say something sucks, but in all actuality, a lot of tools that have been coming out in the past 2 or 3 years ago, you can't say they suck because they don't. Now, I will say some clippers are better than others, but that's a whole nother video, right? But nonetheless, like I was saying, guys, great tools. I'm really enjoying using them. Once again, we have the black FX trimmer. Nice hump to it, check that out. Looks really sleek, ergonomics on it are nice. And then we have the black FX clipper also. And I think they're calling these the FX Plus. I believe that's what they're called if you buy them individually and not in the combo. But this is just a limited edition FX, you know, clipper and trimmer combo. So remember, guys, you can go get these at babylesspro.com, or you can go to fwbarbersupply.com and use my discount code TANK10 on their website, and you can save yourself a little money, not just on these tools, but anything on their website. You know, hair products, cleaner, anything that is barber related that FW Barber Supply has. Not just barber related, but anything on their website that FW Barber Supply has. You can use my discount code TANK10, and it will save yourself some money on the whole order. But with that being said, man, once again, here is the FX Limited, the Babyliss FX Limited series. All in all, good tools, and I will make sure to put the price on the screen for y'all, not just on babylesspro.com, but on fwbarbersupply.com. Also, I'll put both prices so y'all can compare, and y'all can choose to buy whichever one y'all want. But nonetheless, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.